Meaning of FYI.
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 FYI. FYI stands for your information, and is often used in communication, both in written and spoken form. It is a shorthand way of indicating that the information being shared isn't necessarily intended to elicit a response or action but rather to provide the recipient with knowledge about a particular subject. The acronym is commonly used in emails, memos, and text messages, among other forms of communication. In short, FYI is a polite way of informing someone of something without expecting them to take any specific action on it.